Dear Mainland, aloha from Kona, Hawaii. My brother and I always hear you say, work comes first. And this troubles us. Because instead of having a Kona beer with friends after a long day, you say, I'll stay late again and finish the 9th revision of the internal supply chain memo for Darren.
Darren.
No, brother. Darren is hypothetical. There's no Darren.
Oh, we all got a Darren.
Anyway, maybe sometimes you say something different like, this work can wait. And you get those Kona beers, and you get that good food, and you get all the people that matter in your life together.
But not Darren.
No, hypothetical Darren is not coming.
Good.
One life, right? Don't blow it. Mahalo. Enjoy a longboard lager or big wave golden ale tonight. Kona Brewing, Kona, Hawaii. Drink responsibly, yeah?